In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable text suggestion of MS Word in Windows 10 and 11. Text suggestions can speed up your writing by offering predicted words and phrases as you type, and when turned on at the system and app level, they work seamlessly inside Word. Start in Windows. On Windows 11, open Settings from the Start menu. Choose Time and Language, then Typing. Turn on Show Text Suggestions when typing on a physical keyboard. While you're here, you can also enable autocorrect misspelled words and, if you write in more than one language, multilingual text suggestions. These options make suggestions smarter and appear across most apps, including Word. On Windows 10, open Settings, go to Devices, then Typing. In the Hardware Keyboard section, enable Show Text Suggestions as I type. You can also toggle autocorrect misspelled words and multilingual text suggestions for a similar experience. If you use the on-screen keyboard, make sure its suggestion setting is on as well. Next, confirm Word's own prediction feature. Open Word. Select File, then Options. In the Advanced section, under Editing Options, turn on Show Text Predictions while typing. This adds Word's built-in predictions on top of Windows suggestions. When you're typing, you'll see a faint suggestion appear in line. Press Tab to accept it or Escape to ignore it. If the suggestion isn't quite right, just keep typing and it will update. A few quick tips. After changing settings, close and reopen Word to ensure everything takes effect. If you don't see the text prediction option in Word, check for updates in your Office account and make sure you're signed in to a version that supports this feature. If suggestions still aren't showing, verify that your preferred typing language is installed and at the top of the list in Settings under Language and Region, and that your keyboard layout matches. Let's test it. Open a blank Word document and start typing a common phrase, like an email greeting or a repeated project term. You should notice suggestions appearing as grayed text. Use Tab to accept, Shift plus Tab to move the cursor back if you accept by mistake, and Escape to dismiss. That's it. With Windows suggestions and Word predictions enabled, you'll save keystrokes, reduce typos, and write more confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy typing!